just thought I'd let you know it's going to be power steering. The Astra power steering box is in, and hopefully I'll get it to the spray booth this weekend if I take my finger out. So that's what happens in this episode, power steer. Also, I got chatting to a fellow tuber. We've got a bit of a bromance happening at the moment. I'm sending him a few bits for heavy parts that I've got, and he just sent me a little package. So, thanks to T-Bob, shout out. Look at this. Yeah. We just started yarning to each other. Oh, you got this bloody tied up, didn't you? We just started yarning and he had some bits and I could have been wanting them. So I went the internally gated turbo. What's he gonna do? I'd say he's giving me his kids' clothing. I hope you don't want them back, mate, because bloody hell. Go fast bits. Ooh, yes. Yeah, we're not going internally gated anymore. We're going external. I'll just change my turbo. Just get open. There we go. Look at this. Oh, little sticker. Look at that bad boy. So yeah, new direction anyway. That is going to be the business. I'm happy with that. Shout out to So, we've made our bracket for the power steer pump. So we get in the back of the power steering pump. It will fit. I just put some nutserts in there. A little bracket. Just put a couple Anderson plugs on. Got a power on this. I'll just put a couple Deutsch plug on them. And we'll see if we get power. The story is power earth. These are both power, but if you power one up off ignition and put one on a switch, so you power it up at a different time, it'll fire them up instantly instead of having them joined. It does a slow build up to pressure, so we'll put a switch on it and probably ignition on the other one and get her in there. Bought myself a new little stand too, speaker. I'll put my phone in there. So let's try it out, and I'll put my power steer pump in and give her a run. See what happens. Right. See, here we go. Already here. Power. Back with power. Yes. Bit dodgy, I've just got to sit in there. And our little plug was the black wire, which is the activation, and blue, another activation. Look at that, pointing at me. I'll just do them together for now. She's going. There we go. She's mounted in. I'll do the job. solid. It is on rubber mounts anyway, but yeah, that's not going anywhere. Yeah, just order me. I think it's a 16mm. You can buy them anywhere. They're all over eBay and TI Performance and you name it. They've got them. Raceworks fittings. Astra power steer to pump adapter. I think it goes to a -6. Just done the wire it in there. Just got back into the cabbie. I've got to just make it up a nice little constant power fuse panel. I'll make an accessories on too, probably. But with our brown wire from our power steer pump fuse there. I don't know what's meant to be, but yeah, it'll go there. And blue wire will be switched. Do the switch next once this is done. Lines are out. I've got them hanging here, but I just marked it there. I don't know if you can see it. Some white text to mark it. I did write I put a P on it. That's the pressure line. Just so I don't forget, because I probably bloody will. No. Just my so that's your pressure side and your return side. So now we're just about to pull the little cooler off. I'm going to try and reuse it. So I'll take that off and not undo it on there because it'll put oil everywhere. So I'll just whack this off. So the steer pump, steering box, pressure side, bottom one, pressure side, is M16 by 1.5, and the top one, return, or back one, return side is M18 1.5. I took one fitting out, thinking they'd be both M18 1.5, but they're not. But now I have a spare M18 1.5, and the M16, that was meant to go into my Astra steer pump. I'm going to have to order one. But the 120 degree fittings seem to be alright. I got the 45 for the Astra. But yeah, I'll just test fit in there. They do fit in there. I was going to run it down through there, but now I've got my battery cables in there. Never ends. Bloody hell. Alright, I'll get this bloody steer pump off here and keep going. Another parts drop from that old TI Performance. Now I think I've joined the club for buying lots of parts. Lollies! That's what I was waiting on there, that fella. Me 150 degree. See if that works on my steer box. And the other M16 by 1.5 for the Astra power steer. Let's have a look at it. See if it all fits. That was not fun, but we are in. I'll try and get you a better look at it. We've got to get the torch and everything in here. Nothing's touching, it's not touching the brake boost or anything there. Lines are missing. It's the, what do I get? The fittings for there were the M18 by 1.5 and the M16 1.5 adapters. The front one, or bottom, if you're looking at this picture, towards you is, what was that, 120 degrees, and the one at the back on the return side is 150 degrees to make that fit like so. Otherwise, the big sooter coming out of the turbo is going to be sitting in there, which wouldn't be fun with the heat. So yeah, I've got them running through there. That works. Got it. I've got some tidying up there, that's just battery cable and stuff in there too. But up in the corner there, got them running through. Stainless is my pressure. And that nylon braid's my return. And now we go to the back. I got me fitting for the steer pump. Let's get her in. Alright, pressure side, One thing I can tell you when working with stainless braided hose is that you get cuts everywhere and it stings like. So we're on pressure side. Let's get him up in the back and connect him. I just got in here. I'm excited. That was a great spot. I'm going, yeah, let's get it on. But I put the wrong fitting on. I'm glad I didn't do that up. I just poked it through the floor. That's me 120 degree. Won't work. I need me 45. I can leave that on there in me olive. Get your little olive there. And a 45. Like so. Give it a little bit of WD. Just getting him started. Alright, let's get back up in the back. I need me WD-40. Lubricated. Let me switch his wire up. Give him some fluid. I can't film all this all at once because I need my hands. So I'll get some fluid in and we'll bleed her up a bit. No leaks yet. We go power steering. Job's done. Look at that. You can go. We're done. Happy days. All looks good. No leaks. I don't see leaks yet. I'm happy. We've achieved something. No leaks, no. Yeah. There you go. That's power steering done. I'll give you just a little quick loan there and to the end of it. So that's it. As you can see, I can't give you bloody camera in there. But I've got nothing's touching the brake booster. The return back one there, as I was saying, is 150 degree. It's a cutter hose end with black nylon. 120 degree for our pressure side, just to get that right angle there. Oh, I'm covering it with a torch, I'm useless with this thing. Over for the steer box. The fittings, one's an M18 and one is an M16. The 16's at the back, I'm pretty sure, which is the same as the Astra steer pump. I'll just run them through. As you see, did my switches and just used a 45. God, this is a pain. It is 5 o'clock in the morning. 45 degree from the M16 by 1.5 fitting. So she's a go. A little bit of effort, but done. I'm happy. Let me try it again. There we go.